This is Frameo. It doesn't hand you a video, it runs your production. Two very different jobs made in the same place. For a vertical microdrama series, you don't prompt shot by shot. You pick a skill, a ready-made recipe for the work you want done. It runs the whole pipeline end to end. Paste your script. And you will be landed in Canvas with a pipeline of 6 steps. Nothing hidden. Handed a script. It pulls out every character, every scene, every location straight from what you wrote. The agent proposes, you approve. It's locked. You're never buried in settings, and no need to learn how to prompt different models. Everything saves automatically, leave and come back whenever. Then it builds your cast and your sets. Give it a reference photo if you have one, or let it generate straight from the description. You review the look, give notes if something's off, and from here on, every shot pulls from these exact characters in these exact places. Each scene gets a locked reference frame, a shot-by-shot direction, and a continuity check, all before a single video generates. Then it generates in parallel batches, not one shot at a time, all in one canvas. And here it is. In the timeline without even downloading, we can see all clips. The same characters in the same world, now in motion. Whether it's shot 4 or shot 20, the faces don't drift and the sets don't shift because they were never regenerated. They were reused. And that's not luck. It's an asset library holding your cast and your world. When you start episode 2, you're pulling from that library instead of rebuilding from scratch. That's one job, a whole series from a script. Now go back to the same screen and pick a different one. This is Marketing Hub. Explore the different marketing styles and choose the one that fits your project. You bring a product and a character. It handles the production. Drop in your assets, the product, and a character to sell it. You can upload them or paste a link. Choose the hook, the 3 seconds that decide whether it's watched or skipped. Set the scene, then pick your format or let it surprise you. Fine-tune the video settings for aspect ratio and quality, then hit Generate to begin. First, it reads the brief. It reviews both images and determines exactly what it's looking at. Then it researches your actual product on the web and meta library. Not a guess. The real model, the real colorway. Based on what it learns, it writes the creative direction and assembles the generation prompt for you. You never have to write a prompt. As it works, it saves everything, your product, your direction, and your prompt into your project's catalog. This is the part other tools skip. Once your product is in the system, it's never rebuilt from scratch. It's yours to reuse. And prompt locked. It generates your ad as a single vertical clip, styled, framed, and shot to sell. And here it is. Then it does something most tools simply don't. It checks its own work. Before you ever see it, it runs more than 20 post-processing checks. Your character stays consistent across every shot with the angle locked to your reference photo. So consistency is handled, not left to chance. But one ad was never the point. In performance marketing, content marketing, socials, you don't need one video, you need 100 that works. And because your product is already in the catalog, you don't rebuild it, you reuse it. Same product, new format. One line each. A UGC ad, a hypermotion showcase, a virtual try-on. Now find your winner and swap just one thing. A different model, a different product, a different city. One winning creative becomes a full matrix, model by product, ready for every cohort you're targeting. Here too, your team works alongside you in real time. Comment, fix, and resolve all in the same project. Frameo shows you what each episode costs and what the season will cost, whether you're working solo or as a studio. You're not just making a video, you're running a production line. One place, it reads your brief, remembers your assets, checks its own work, scales what's working, and shows your whole team where it stands. Frameo, stop directing your AI, start directing your story.